In this video, I am going to show you how we can install WordPress in the GitHub pages. So first we need to create a repository in the GitHub. Just click on the new. Also you need to log in order to create a repository and select a name. Maybe for that I select the name number uh, one which actually the name should be available, and make sure it is add or readme file is checked and create repository. So after that you need to, the repository is created, you need to click on this button, and after that you need to create gh dash, you need to type create gh dash pages, and create a brand, create brands, click on that button, and after you see that it is created, go to the setting, and in the setting where the default branches are, there are two arrows. Just click one of them, just click on them. So gh, select the gh pages switch and click update. It update the default branches. So that's all here for the time being. So now you need to download the GitHub desktop app. Just go there and download that, and after download that, it open up. I already download and install it. It is very simple, just like installing normal other apps. So just I am opening it. For the first time when you start, it look little bit different because you have done to login first. You have to login, actually you have to login first. So after login it appears something similar. And one more thing, you need to install SAM. And in the SAM, just go to the download and install the latest version. Download the latest version. Once you download it, the exe file install it, and after you install it, just open it. It appear like this. Make sure to start the Apache and MySQL. And once you start that, just go to the Chrome, type local host. If local host dashboard automatically appear, and it appear like SAM, MariaDB, PHP plus Perl, it means that you successfully installed it. Just click on PHP my admin. It take a little time, and after that just go to the database, and here you your field, these line do not see them. It might be different for you because you open it first time, but you, what you actually you need to do is just type a name. No, so maybe I can type the same name, or maybe I can type a different name that I type in the GitHub. So here I type a number one. So I go there back, number one. If I type one number one, I can either two type number two, or either my name or anything. But I type number one. But the necessary thing is that after whatever the name you type plus underscore, db small letter and create, and once you click it, it will create it, and just again just reload it, so they will be visible for you, number one dash db. And now you are done there, and now you install the GitHub app. Just open the app, and in the app go to the file, clone repository, and if you do not see the your required repository, I see my repository designer dash the last one, number one. If you do not see, press this one, and now you need to set that location. Before setting to the location, I need to show you one more thing. When you install the SAMP server, it create a SAMP folder in the C drive. In the root of C drive, it is open there, and it automatically created one when you install exe file. And in there is a htdocs folder. You need to copy that path of htdocs folder and just put there in the htdocs the. And once you click on select the that which you want to clone and click clone. Okay, so what it does, it created the folder with the name of the directory that we created in the GitHub. So the name will be same, the repository and the folder name. It created the folder inside the PC in the htdocs folder, xmap or sam, whatever you speak it. And after that you need to go to the Chrome and search for wordpress.org, not the wordpress.com. Here I open the zip file of the file that I downloaded from there, and I open that and just copy them to the number one folder that was created in htdocs inside the computer. Number one folder means the same folder that the GitHub app clone in my PCs. Just paste it there and just wait for a while. Depend on the PC speed, it is slow or fast. And just go back in the browser. What you need to do is just to uh, show the number one folder name, and there what you need to do, just local host slash number one, whatever the folder name you created on the GitHub, and clone in the PC. Just type it there. It might take approximate 1, 2 or 3 minutes depending on the speed of the PC, and but it will work if you do previous step, follow the previous step correctly, it will work. Okay, it is still loading. I am fasting the video, speed up the video, so you will get the to see the exact point. Now it appears for the first time like this. Just click on the continue English. My language is English. Let's go. And here is a thing that here is a catch. You remember in the database, just type local host again in the PHP my admin. In the database we type under dash db number one, and just copy that and uh, put the same database name, because the database name db should be necessary, but the database name that you created there. And in the username just type root. Password, you do not need to write any password because it doesn't need password set yet. If you do that, it will create an error. Just click submit, run the installation. And now type the name. Maybe I type the name number 1, or maybe any name, Apple 1, or maybe car 1, or just car 1 for okay for now. For the username, just type your username, whatever you want. Make sure you do not forget that. Just type the password. I type just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It say weak password, but I will confirm, I will go, because I am just testing things. And after that, I just install WordPress. What it say? You must provide an email address. Okay, I forget to add the email. Just type any random email address. Confirm you use weak password. Make sure you do not forget the username and etc. And after that, just a screen appear. Just click on the login. Now we set the username, that was this one, and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Login. It might take, because it is for a first time, it take little more time to load. Now it install the WordPress version in the PC, not in the GitHub page. So now it is full-fledged WordPress, not the demo version or the other version that doesn't have to allow us to install plugin or etc. So now we need to go to the plugin, and in the plugin, add plugin, and in the add plugin you need to type simply static, and it is loading, still loading. After that, you need to install that simply static, and once it installed, what you need to do is to activate it and put some necessary information in it, like you just activate. And after that, you need to go there. You see that simple static up here, it is, go to its setting, and in the setting relative part, convert it to absolute part. Make sure HTTP is selected. Now go to the GitHub, where you upload where the code is, and go in the setting, and in the setting pages, in the first line, you see that this is the link. We need to copy it from without HTTPS. Just copy the link from the name, and just put it there. And in the exclude, what you need to do, you need to go in the htdocs number 1. In the WP content, you need to copy this path and paste it, and again open that, and now go to the number 1 WP content and uploads. Go to and paste there, and now after that, save setting. After save setting, go to the deployment. In that deployment, zip archive is selected, converted to the local, and here you see, if you do everything right, it correct, it automatically copy the path, and what you need to do, just paste it. And after that, save setting. Now most of the things are done. Now time to make it to the live. Just generate static files. Once you click on generate static file, it take 2 3, or depend on the file size, and the file automatically appear there. It already start appearing, I guess. it now. Just type any word, any word. Most probably I type update or update. Now it automatically update them. It automatically start. So make sure before doing that your GH page is selected and the current repository, the same repository you just create in order to upload the WordPress. Otherwise it will not work. And one more thing, before starting the process, you can see in the code of the repository there, in the GH pages which we created, is only one file. But after what it take time, first click on, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. It is still loading, so I am speeding the process. Okay, now it's done. When it's done, there is, you see another button, push origin. And now when you push the origin, it start uploading. So now it's done, and you see there is only one file. But when I reload it, there is a list of files. And once you go there and in the pages and click on the site, you see it is not yet available. The WordPress is not yet working. It might take, after doing this process, all the process, it might take 5 to 10 minutes, or in case if files are big, it might take 30 minutes as well to load, depending on the files and the type of files you used. So now the WordPress is uploaded. So in the next video I probably discuss. So for more videos, just subscribe to my YouTube channel.